We are here at Metrogate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. This house is Dawn model, ready for occupancy. Floor area is 78 square meter, lot area 120 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Ang price nito ay as of today, October, 7.2 million. Ito pa yung, itong sa harap front niya, ito yung for provision for garage. Ito yun. Then pasukin natin. This is living area, living room. Living room. Tapos makita niyo second floor. Powder room. This is powder room. Sa first floor ito. Pwede mo pa itong magamit dito as storage. Kitchen. Ang kitchen may built-in cabinets na rin siya. Dito naman yung sa service area sa likod. Ayun, dirty kitchen. Yung may lote ka pa dyan, service area. Meron din, may excess lot pa rin dito. 2 meters yan, 2 meters, 2 meters. Sa side din ito. 2 meters din na iwan dyan. Ang front nito, 2 meters. 3 meters ang sa front side naman. Ang setback. Then, akyat tayo. Ang ano niya, ang stairs niya ay wood. Ito, binili yata ito. Ayun. This is the first room. First room. Wala siyang cabinet pero pwede mong dito ilagay ang cabinet. First room, then let's go to the second room. This is the second room. Second room. This is the toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath. Third room. Ay, one moment. Yan. Third room, this is third room. So this is Dawn model. 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath. 78 floor area 78 square meter. Lot area 120. Nandito lang ito sa Metrogate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Na walking distance to Robinsons and SM Palapala. Ayan. So if you want to get this property, just call me at 0908-883-5092. I'm Amy Albansabe.